Hey there, makeup lovers! Are you on the hunt for the perfect eyeshadow palette? Well, look no further because we have the Huda Beauty Empowered Eyeshadow Palette. This palette includes 18 stunning shades, ranging from golds and coppers to neutrals, all in different textures such as matte, metallic, shimmer, and gel liner hybrids. The possibilities for your eye looks are endless with this palette. These shades are not only gorgeous but also highly pigmented, so you can achieve a bold and impactful look with just one swipe. And with its smooth and blendable formula, you can effortlessly create any eye look you desire. Whether you're looking for a subtle daytime look or a dramatic nighttime look, this palette has got you covered. Plus, it's compact and easy to take on the go, making it perfect for traveling or touch-ups throughout the day. So, if you want to take your eye makeup game to the next level, get your hands on the Huda Beauty Empowered Eyeshadow Palette today.